Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my Boxycharm Mega Drop Shop purchases to go over with you. Now, I was actually quite surprised when I got my box this time around because normally they put everything in like these super huge boxes, like unnecessarily big boxes when they ship like add-ons. At least in my experience, that's been the case. This time around, they sent me this tiny box, and I feel like I bought quite a few things this time around, so I was impressed they were able to fit it all inside of this box. But I just wanted to share with everyone what I got. For those of you who like makeup and beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. The first thing I got was Cafe from Marc Jacobs. This is like the face palette that he has. And I was really excited to get this one. Honestly, like I wasn't expecting it to be this large. This is really large. But let's see what it looks like here. Okay, awesome. It's like super compact, super slim. I love that about it. And also it looks really cute. It looks like caramel colored marble. It's really pretty. And then there's a really large mirror inside. And then you have the blush, bronze, and highlight in there. And then we'll just do a little swatch of each. That actually went on pretty good. It feels like a good formula for sure. Definitely more like a gold highlight there, but there is everything swatched. The highlight, the bronze, and then the blush right there. The next item I got is something I've actually been having my eye on for quite some time, and I finally picked it up. It's this Nomad palette here. This is the Cartagena palette, and I'm most likely not saying that correctly, but this is what it looks like here, and I was just really excited to get it. This is the palette. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. It has some really nice shimmers and mattes in here, and you know, of course, we're going to get some swatches. I'm not even going to attempt to say these names. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. I love Nomad. They have some really good formulas for their eyeshadows, that's for sure. It's just, and it swatches so effortlessly. Let's do one more shimmer, and then we'll get a couple mattes. I'm really interested in this one. It looks almost like a lime green color. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That is really pigmented. Not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. But I should have known. Nomad Cosmetics, like all their stuff is really pigmented, really nice. I just haven't used one in a while, so I guess I've like forgotten, but I'm really happy to get this. And then next up, I got this foundation stick from Tarte Cosmetics, and this is a refillable foundation blender in a forever case. So that's kind of cool. I didn't know that it was a refillable. When I got it, I got the shade Lima Opal. I'm not quite sure if it will exactly match me. I like it comes, it does, it has a little case. And then I just want to see, like, almost perfectly matched to my skin tone, so that's awesome. But it was a really good deal for that. I can't remember if it was like $6 or $9, something like that. But for foundation, you can't beat that. And then I did get a previous box. And I was surprised to see how tiny this previous box was. Did previous boxes used to look like this? Let me know in the comments down below if you remember, or if this was ever a thing, or is this just something new that they're doing. But anyways, going on, I felt like this one was the best deal out of all of them, at least in my opinion. So this is what I picked, and it is the Totally Boxy. I don't know what month this is from, but this is the Totally Boxy box. And it does have the list of products with the prices on there. The first thing I got is from Becca, and this is a Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is valued at $39. I'm pretty sure I paid $25 for this box or something like that. And this is what it looks like here. And honestly, it's definitely sealed, but look, it's like already halfway empty. How terrible is that? They didn't even fill it up all the way. I don't know. Maybe it's just because it's the way it's settled in there. I'm not sure. It probably just goes by weight, but that is a really neat looking packaging on it, almost like a mirror. And then I got these two eyeshadows from Ace Beauté, which I really like their eyeshadows, all of them that I tried. I haven't tried their little individual ones yet, so let's see. These are $25 for these two eyeshadows. We got this really pretty purple color. Okay. And then we have this silver color, which I absolutely love silver. I think it's so pretty. And you can use it with so many different looks. Yeah, that's a nice shadow for sure. Okay, and then the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. And I've never tried this one. I've tried a lot of different... Actually, yes, I have. I've tried a sample size of this, and I really liked it. So I was excited to get the full size of it. But this is what the wand looks like right here on the side, so I don't have to actually open the mascara. But, oh, I love the packaging on this. It's like hot pink. It's really smooth and silky feeling. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. I love it. Mascara is valued at $23. And then I have from Wonder Beauty a Glow Head Illuminating Face Oil. I'm not sure if I'll keep this or not because I don't typically like face oils. I do like Wonder Beauty. So this is a maybe for me, but this is set to value at $42 for this facial oil. And then next, we have an eyeliner in here. And this one is pretty large, so it should last quite a while. This is valued at $7. And then we have a Butter London palette, which is valued at $32. And let's see. Okay, this is cute. I'm loving it. It is mostly shimmers in this palette, which I'm a huge shimmer fan. We have a couple mattes in here, and the mattes that we do have would make a beautiful look all on their own. That teal and that brown together. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get a swatch of that. Okay, that is nice. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. That green. And then we'll do one more color. Let's do this queen color. Okay, that's like a coppery color. It's really pretty as well. That is a palette that I got in this box. And then lastly, we have a Luxie 3-piece set valued at $30. And it comes in cute little packaging. I like this kind of packaging just because it reminds me of something. It's like biodegradable. Oh, and it kind of matches with his like all natural Luxie brushes. I've never seen Luxie brushes made like this. 'Cause normally they always have the... I think is this made out of wood? It almost feels and looks like wood. I could be wrong on that, but it might be just made to look like wood. Okay, cool. What are these brush sets for? Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 240. Okay, cool. So I like how it tells you what each one's for. And actually, it says right on the brushes as well. So that's neat. But that's actually everything that I got from the Mega Drop Shop. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.